Oh, hi guys. Welcome back to the channel. I know I haven't uploaded probably since, well, I believe December. And I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be playing what I'm playing right now. Bubblegum Simulator. I haven't showed you guys this game ever since I started, so I'll just give you a quick overview of my pets before I show you what y'all really came for. Sorry about that. All of these fucking are wrong. I hatched a lucky emerald golem today. Turns out it's 29 eggs. Basically, that's it. I might give the VIP link down below in the comment section, but I'm only gonna do that if we can get at least 20 likes. I know we're a small channel, but you can do it. Anyways, I'll show you what you came for. Enjoy. So, what? How to? This is a cursed team. Wanna know why? So, uh, nobody saw my pets. Anyways, here I am, just walking around, and then I goes up to the coon and say, "Want beef?" Then just go. And it gives you two shells. Look at the box and say, "You want beef?" It gives you four shells. You know, you wanna know, uh, you wanna know how to do this? So what you want to do is get a palm dragon level 1, a palm bunny level 2, an emerald golem with a sun hat, which is enchant 40 and level 25, a level 1 palm, and a level 1 palm dragon if I haven't said already, a palm bear. Anyways, I'm going to try to get to at least 210,000 shells with this team. Simple. When I started this, it was on this team, it was really hard for me to grind and like even get the sun hat I have now. Now I feel pretty confident. And anyways, I will just flex my emerald golem stats real quick. Time to so before I go, I'm gonna flex my favorite pets. First, my emerald golem. Well, my favorite pet for some reason. It's an emerald golem, enchant 40, shiny, level 25. That's how much I've been grinding on it. Look in the chat even. I just hatched one. Anyways, 397 bubbles, 1,350 coins, 728 gems, and 20 shells. That's pretty good for an emerald golem. A freaking beach hat. Anyways, this lucky narwhal. 2,782 bubbles, 3 I believe 100,000 because there's a missing digit over here. 300,000. 300. Okay. 300 to 24,308. Now for the gems. 300,203 gems. 508 gems? That sounded awkward. And for the rainbows, it's best grand stat. Well, not the best because just look. 200 and 16,000 and 416. That's my second favorite pets. Now let's go to one of our dogs. This wyvern. Really great stats. 206,633. 380,433. 6,000 600. That sounded cursed. Anyways, those were my 3 favorite pets. I hope you liked and subscribed. If you even bothered to stay until the end of the video, comment it down below, and you will be entering a giveaway for let me make a proper drum roll real quick. Which pet should I give away now? I'm going to do, give me a moment. Which one could be summoned back? Hey, why not Radioactive Bear? So, this is a pet I could just get back through hatching, and I'm going to be giving it away. If you sat through this whole boring video and you even liked and subscribed, I'll be looking into notifications. Peace!